Ritter 255 LED examination light power supply replacement. Turn light off and disconnect the power. The next step depends on which type of mounting the light has. For a ceiling mounted light, remove screws and mounting hardware from the junction box cover. For a wall mounted light, remove screws and mounting hardware from covers. For a mobile light, remove the nut and washers from the bottom of the base and the spacer from the top of the base. Then, remove long screws from the bottom plate and remove plate. Disconnect wire harnesses. Use a needle nose pliers to release existing power supply from standoffs. Install new power supply. Connect wire harnesses. Install previously removed components. Reconnect the power. Turn the light on to verify its operation.